In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent participants from joining a Zoom meeting before the host. This is a great way to ensure that your meetings go smoothly and start on time, with you in control right from the start. Let's dive in and take a few simple steps to set this up. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoom website and make sure you're logged in. This part is crucial because you'll need to access your account settings. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find a link labeled My Account. Click on that and you'll be taken to your account overview page. Now, from the account overview page, the next step is to access the settings for your meetings. Look in the side menu on the left. You should see a link labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page with a variety of options related to your Zoom account settings. These settings are where you have the chance to fine-tune your Zoom meeting experiences, so it's good to be familiar with what's here. Once you're in the settings area, you want to find another tab called Meeting. Click on it to ensure you're looking at the options specifically related to your meetings. Meetings have different parameters you can set to customize your experience, and these are the settings you will focus on today. Next, within the Meeting tab, you'll want to locate the section for Schedule Meeting. This is the part of the settings where you can define parameters for meetings you'll be setting up. Now scroll down until you find the feature labeled Allow Participants to Join Before the Host. This setting allows participants to enter the meeting before you, the host, arrive. You might notice this option is toggled on, allowing just that. Given our goal, you're going to want to toggle this option off. By doing so, you ensure that participants will need to stay in a waiting room until you, the host, begin the meeting. This control helps prevent any interruptions or premature starts, keeping your meetings organized and timely. Just a reminder, remember to save any changes you make if required. Zoom usually updates automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that your settings are saved correctly. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've ensured that no participants can jump into the meeting room before you arrive. This is especially useful for meetings involving sensitive information or when seamless introductions are crucial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about Zoom or any other tech-related inquiries, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming.